the Council will, among others, deliberate on the new structure and treaty of IGAD and the issues of the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. As we all know, taking into account the special significance of the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden to its member states and the new dynamics developing in this region, the 46th Ordinary Council session of Ministers of IGAD held in Djibouti on 17 February 2019 decided to have an organized approach on the matter. Accordingly, special envoy to Red Sea and Gulf of Aden was appointed to handle the matter. A task force composed of diplomats, defense security experts and analysts on the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden was established that has already developed terms of reference and declaration of principles.